The financial safety net, why independent collision shop owners need to bring the craft back inside the business. This is not a nostalgia piece. This is not me saying that we need to go backwards. This is a business survival paper about what happens when collision repair becomes too expensive, too technical, too dependent on insurer volume, and too separated from the hands-on skill that built all these shops in the first place. Because knowing the craft is not just pride, it's a financial safety net. It gives an owner options. It gives them a lever to pull when the overhead has to come down. It gives them the ability to survive smaller, leaner, and more selective. And in this market, options may be the difference between staying open and shutting your doors. So if you own an independent collision shop, manage one, advise one, work in one, or just care about where this industry is headed, download the full paper, read it, argue with it, share it with your team, but please don't ignore it. Because the shops that survive the next version of this industry may not be the biggest, the most certified, or the most connected. They may simply be the ones with a financial safety net still inside the building. Click the link and download the full paper now.